Bro, dude. Bro, wake up, dude. Wake up.
What?
Dude, you're snoring loud as fuck again.
My bad, bro. I just can't stop.
Dude, alright, put this on, bro.
What is this?
It's called mouth tape.
Mouth tape?
Yes, sir. It's mouth tape, but you put it over your mouth and you quit snoring.
Really?
Yeah.
If I put it on my mouth and my nose is plugged, am I just gonna suffocate?
Nope, because it's breathable and flexible.
Really?
Yes, sir. And on top of that, when you put it in your mouth, you're able to breathe through your nose. That will let you improve that jawline of yours. Yeah, dude.
Where'd you get this from?
I got a TikTok shop.
TikTok shop?
Yeah.
How much?
It's going for like $5, but they're selling out pretty quick though.
$5?
Yeah, dude.
Bro, I need some. You wanna send me it?
Alright, say less. I'm gonna go ahead and link it to this video as well. Check it out.